Did you know that as a content creator, you can earn money without relying on advertising and sponsorships? Let's talk about that. Hi everybody, my name is Mica Gonzalez, that's Mica Gonzalez with a Z, and I'm back with another video, this time talking about how content creators can make a full-time income without relying on advertising and sponsorships. So I know a lot of people think that as a creator, you have to be kind of like this influencer. You have to have like these 10, 100,000 subscribers or followers before people will want to pay you for whatever it is you do. And that's understandable. And honestly, if that's a goal that you want to work towards, then sure, that's great. Keep trying to grow your followers and all that stuff. But if this is something you don't want to wait for, you don't want to keep grinding until you get those tens or hundreds of thousands of followers, something that you can do is doing a smarter way of monetizing your content. And I'm going to talk about 4 different ways that you can do that today. Okay, I lied. I'm gonna talk about 5. Let's jump to the first idea, which is affiliate marketing. The first time I ever made money on the blog, which was like a month old or not even a month old, was through an affiliate marketing. There was a digital product that I had bought and I really liked it, so I started recommending it to my blog readers. And at the time, I had very, very little blog readers. I mean, I was probably only at around like 100 people visiting per day, maybe less. And what I was doing is I was promoting this plan. I was talking about it, and if anyone ever bought from my link, then I would get a very small commission. Affiliate marketing is like that. And no, you do not need to have huge followings. I mean, a lot of affiliate programs, a lot of brands, for example, or stores have a minimum requirement, but many don't. So honestly, if you know where to look, and it really depends on where you are, where you're from, what's available to you, then you can actually find a lot of things that have affiliate marketing programs that you can join and actually make money from. So what I like about affiliate marketing is that it's really based on stuff that you like. You can talk about products and stuff that you're into and then show people maybe reviews. You can show them walkthroughs, how to use it, etc. And then people can just buy through your link so that they can apply what you've learned, or maybe they made a decision based on your review, something like that. And then you earn a commission from recommending that. You don't need any capital at all. Probably the only thing you're going to need is whatever you might need to shell out to create that content, but usually you can just use whatever you have. For example, videos, you can use your phone. Your blog, maybe you can just use a free WordPress blog, stuff like that. It really depends. So there are a few ways to be a profitable affiliate, and I have a few tips I might have already mentioned, but I'll go through them more organized this way. So the first one is to do product reviews. I personally love it when people are very honest in their reviews. I don't like those reviews where people are just like, it's only good, and then attempt to get people to click their link and make a sale. In my opinion, the more honest the reviews, if you can really give pros and cons, if you can really help me as a consumer decide, then I'm more likely to want to buy through your link. So another tip to be a successful affiliate to anything is to maybe make a comparison for 2 different products. So let's say you are a affiliate to product A, and product A has a bunch of competitors in the market. And let's be real, everything probably does have, competition. So what you can do is, if you are an affiliate to product A, or sometimes if you're an affiliate to both product A, product B, that's possible. What you can do is compare each one with each other. So try to go through the cons, which one's better for what. Try to be really detailed and give people, again, the opportunity to decide which one is for them, product A or product B. If you can be an affiliate to both products, then amazing. Then give people the option to buy through your links. But if you're only an affiliate to one of these products, then that's okay. Just let people know that, hey, I'm an affiliate to one of these products that I'm comparing, just letting you know. And my final tip for becoming a more profitable affiliate is to create some kind of like resource or guide. So it's not all about these products, but maybe you're talking about these products that you're promoting, that you're an affiliate of, about something else. So just as an example, let's say I'm in the fitness space. Maybe I am a fitness influencer or a fitness coach, and I'm an affiliate to a store that sells protein powder or fitness stuff like equipment and whatever for your home gym. One really good guide I can create, whether it's for my blog or my YouTube channel or my Instagram, is I can create like a guide for how to lose weight, how to do body weight exercise only, etc., and then include optional tips for like the products that you can use for that. So if I'm going to say, oh, here's a 15-minute dumbbell exercise, and I'm an affiliate to the store that sells dumbbells, then I can link to those dumbbells. So as you can see, your main guide might not even be about these products, and that's okay. But if you can show people how to use these products or how these products can help them achieve certain goals, then that's a really effective way to bring their attention to, hey, I'm promoting this particular product, you can buy through my link, blah blah blah, and then sooner or later, there you go. You made a commission, you've made a sale. The second idea to make full-time income without ads or sponsorships: make a digital service. I think this is one of the easiest ways to make money as a content creator, because as a content creator, you already have some kind of talent, some kind of hobby as you make content. So maybe you can offer that as a service for other people. Maybe there are people who would like to get your services as a makeup artist, or maybe you're really good with a camera, maybe you're really great at photography, videography, all that stuff. Your Instagram has amazing photos. Offer photography or videography as a service to businesses and brands. Maybe just reach out to small businesses, medium businesses that might need your help, and then offer that as a service, and use your content, use your actual platforms as like proof of concept. Like, hey, these are the amazing videos that I can make, let me help you. Third idea: create a product. So create something to sell even to just a small audience. It doesn't have to be a lot, and depending on what kind of product you want to sell, if it's a physical thing, then maybe you only can create so little at a time to a few audiences anyway. Or maybe you want to create something like a digital product that you can sell at scale, so it takes very little capital. If this is the first time you're planning on selling a product, I would actually recommend trying to find a digital product idea first, so that it takes very little capital and you can spend a little time creating it and then selling it and then trying to get feedback, making it better, etc. Versus if you go products right away, as in physical products right away, what might happen is you spend a lot of money on capital trying to get these products in your, I don't know, in your inventory and stuff, and you might not be able to sell everything. So I'm just letting you know. But honestly, it really depends. So based on whatever you create content on, maybe this is something that you're very passionate about, you create stuff about this, about that, in this particular niche, maybe you can create products for that niche. Just make sure that it's something your audience might actually want and is something related to you, what you create content about. Also, don't be afraid of going on the product route if you think you don't even have like an audience yet. When I first sold my digital product, which was a digital planner on my blog, I barely had 500 followers on Instagram. I didn't even go on Instagram to sell these things. I was only on my blog. I was only on like my newsletter, and that was a very small audience at the time. I had around 1,000 people, 1,000 followers in my newsletter. So honestly, don't knock it till you try it. My fourth idea is something very popular right now: is you can launch an online course or workshop. I think content creators, we naturally are good at certain things. That's why we like creating content about it. Maybe we like to inspire people, we want to entertain. If there's something that you can teach your audience, maybe some things people are always asking you, then you can create some kind of workshop or course around it. And I think that's a really solid start to a business, because it can take very little capital to get started. A workshop, all you might need, if it's an online workshop, all you're gonna need is something like Google Meet, which is free, or Zoom if you want to pay a little bit more to, you know, accommodate more than one person at a time. Then it's really is affordable, and all you do is base it on something that you already know, that you already have experience in. And no, you don't need some kind of PhD, you don't need some kind of certification. You can just really start with whatever it is that you know. When I first started coaching, for example, that's my idea of like a course or workshop. When I first started with that, it was because a lot of people were asking me, how did I quit my full-time job and actually make my blog my full-time business? So I was teaching people, I was coaching them how to do the same thing. How do you build an audience sustainably? How do you get productive? What are the things you need to know about online business? So it was really based on what people were asking me. So if the same thing with you, do you notice people are asking you something, you know, they're always asking you for your process about this or that? Maybe you can package that into some kind of online course or a workshop. Also, I have to mention, please don't create a course or a workshop based on what you just learned. There's a difference between teaching what you've learned versus teaching what you've applied and what you have actual experience or results in. Don't ever create a workshop or a course based on something that you haven't tried for yourself. You always have to create something based on your own results, on your own experience. Because honestly, if you do that route, you just teach what you learned, like maybe you read it off a book, you saw it on an online course, you saw it on a YouTube video, then people can kind of see that you don't know what you're talking about, and that's going to be a really bad experience for them, and it might just get, you know, angry people knocking at your door asking for a refund. And my final idea for making a full-time income using your content creation without ads or sponsorships is to launch a membership site. Out of all the things that I've talked about, this one is probably the hardest to do, but I think it's one of the most effective, because imagine if you can get recurring income from just a small group of people, and it doesn't even have to be a lot just yet. So my recommendation is, if you want to go this route, is offer something monthly that you can give to people in your membership, and it has to be super duper amazing. It can be something like a new workshop or a new course, or being able to speak with you either one-on-one or in a group, something really valuable, something that you know they want. So I wouldn't recommend this right away, but once you already have some kind of dedicated following, and you know they have the means to support you in whatever way, even if it's just a few, a few dollars or something a month, then that's okay. You can start there. So I hope you learned a lot from this video and gave you ideas for how to monetize your content without waiting for ads or sponsors. Now, I want to let you know that I have a workshop called Your 1000 True Fans Formula. It's the framework that I made and that I use to nurture and have like 1,000 true fans, so that I turned my blog into a full-time business, and it's now currently, yes, my full-time source of income. So just letting you know, if that's something you're interested, I'll teach you exactly what that framework is and how to apply it in your own content creation, so that you can actually get those 1,000 true fans and start getting income from your content creation. And until then, I'll see you my next video, and catch you on the internet. Bye.